welcome to my channel again. Hope you guys have a wonderful day when you watch this video. Please, after I do this video, subscribe down below to help me do more videos. Alright, let's dive to this review. Okay, I suggest to when you have lighter, I just suggest to use this CPU butane fuel. It's very good. It's positive light when you click your lighter. They never pay me to do this one, so I just want to let you know, guys. I just buy this for collections and show it to you. Alright, to give you some idea to keep your lighter clean and look new, so this is the one I do. I buy some, like the brands. This one is Plano from Walmart, and I cut the divider and do like this, and I put some foam too, so keep your lighter alive, new, good looking. So that's my clue to everybody. This one on the side. Sorry about that. And the first I reviewed to you guys, I buy this one in Academy. So the name is Clear and Flame. So when this brand, when you click it, only one click, it's light right away. The reason I buy this one, they have a very good quality. Okay, and this one, it's camo design. It's camouflage. It says here it's a mossy oak. So the brand of this one is Eagle Torch, and this one's the adjustment: positive, negative. Positive, it's high, and negative is low. This one you can lock it too, so keep the flame on. So this how it works. You can use this one for cooking too. It works. If you want to burn something, do them dessert, use this one. And next is this one. This one is a very nice too. This one is like pencil. And there's a kickstand, lock on, safety lock, bottle opener. This one is good designs like plain, but the one, it's, you can pull it out. And this one is the bottle opener. And let's click it. This one, if you sit in anywhere for a long time, when you click it, you need to click twice. But this one is positive. positive light too. And you can you can put your stand on. So start again. See, it smells very nice. You can keep it on flame, just lock it. And to close it, just turn this knob on the left, and you can, the switch automatically back. And this one is one of my favorite. So you can, so that you can, you know how big it is. That's my palm. This one is grenade design. So the way you click it is like this. This one is nice. I always put this one next to the bed. Every time I wake up in the morning, I switch this one on. So just buy this one too. I bought this one of the closest gasoline station to my neighborhood, or the local gasoline station, so close to my house. And next is this one. This one, they have a very high review in Amazon. So I bought this one, then they get after 3 days if you have the Amazon Prime. They call this one Jetline. The good thing, this one, the butane is see-through. So you already know if it is out of butane. And you can just refill this one. The reason why I covered this one, to avoid the dust in a reloading tip. So to open this one, just pop the cover up and click it. So they have 3 positive lights. So it's like turbo. This one is the, so that there's air out to keep the burner cold. The purpose of this is for temperature of the flame. See how you closed it? It's like this. So buy this one too. It's a little bit pricey, but it's good. And next is the green one. The brand of this one is Techno. So it's, see, you can read it. It's Techno green. So it's see-through too. So it's good. This one you can adjust the head. So you can click it straight and you can go blend. So I show you. So just click it. This one's, every time you click it, it's light right away. Rarely you get a misfire to this one. And it's a big too, see? You can get this one in Walmart sometimes, but it's rarely, almost, sometimes, most of the time, it's out of stock. They're sold out. So I got lucky that I get this one. even online it's hard to find this one. Okay, and this one, these two, I bought it in Walmart too. They have very sleek design, it's good. They have good contrast color. See, very attractive colors. But I think I never this one in a store market no more. Maybe they already continue this one. But I show you how to. See, very slim. There's adjustment to for the flame. And there's a grip right there so that you can click it. It's never slip. Okay. They have a good flame too. Set that one in the side. And this one, the brand is Clipper Jet. They have a very good size too, compact. Positive, negative adjustment for the light too. Very attractive color. It's like reflectorized red. So this one, and start it. Alright. And this one, I just bought it too. Most of the Ronson from before, it's made in the USA. Now they came out China. That's the adjustment for the light, and this is the one, the opening if you want to load some butane on it. So that's the brand Ronson. It's a color gray. See, this one's Jet 2. Okay. And this one, most of my like old lighters from Sipo, there's a champagne on it. Look like rusted. It's an old look design. They have very positive open of the cover. So that's the Sipo sounds. Nobody can beat this one, and nobody can copy it. The click of the design, click. And they manufactured this one January 1997. So you can research this one by Google to find what is your year of manufacture of your Sipo. Alright. And this one is my second Sipo, stainless one. And this one manufacturer, it says right here 051, so it means this one they manufacture January 2005. So this one is 15 years later. This one there's no butane. So I just keep this one for collection. I never used it. And this one, they have a lot of good positive too in Amazon. It's very compact, small. It's good. You cannot even peel this one if you put in a packet. It's a very compact design. It's small, but it's a positive. When you click this one, it's fire up right away. And as you can see, I put some tape again to keep this lighter clean. So just open like this and click it. Same the other one, they have 3 lights. They have 3 flames. This one, 99%, even though you sit in wherever, when you pick it up, it flame. And this one, I bought it, I think last year in Las Vegas. This one of my remembers in Las Vegas. I bought it in a strip. So there, I put some date on it. I bought it January 8, 2020 this year. And that's the opening for, and this one is adjustment for the light, and this one is for opening for refuel. See, this one's like Jet 2, and the color is changed. It start in a blue, and after that is red. They have a good coloring on it. One of my favorite too is Slim. And this one is my Jet. So the brand of this one, it's Eagle Torch. They have very colorful color too. So this one is very good too. So there's adjustment for the light too. This one, it's fixed, so it's not moving, not like the other. This one, you can adjust the head. So start it, open again. So it's very good. I recommend you to buy this one too. It's not too expensive. This one is, I think, cost almost more or less $7 per piece in a gasoline station too. Alright, not but that least, my Scripto refillable folding lighter. So this one, when you stretch and open, the size is 1125, and they fold it. I never open yet, I never tried it yet, but the only I track to this one is the color. But I checked in the Google too, this one it's good brand too, Scripto. I bought this one January 23 this year, which is 2020. So hopefully my videos almost end. Hopefully you like my video. Subscribe down below after you watch this one. Always be safe, be careful, always wear your mask. Every time you go, you help make the safety of yourself and the other. So I just tell you, they never pay me to this one to review, just my own decision, and help the people to see my collection so that they have some idea. Alright, I want to say bye to everybody. Please subscribe again. Have a wonderful day. Good luck, United States. Bye-bye. I'm out.